Okay, it's me and Papa and my son. We three here on the farm. We have only 200 goats when we come here, and we buy more goats and more goats, and the goats have fine kids, and we stand now maybe by 1,000, 1,034 goats. I sell my moe in PE. Department of Agriculture is make for us a fence, and he give the tools to make the fence. He make a shirt, and he give things inside to work the wool, the mohair, tables and buns and skulls, all for water, to put water in the camps because there was not water in the two camps. It was a show in PE, and we go there. I take my mohair, kids mohair, and young goats mohair, and I find first prize for the kids, and I find first prize for the young goats, and also 10,000. It was good to win that money because I take the 5,000 and I buy a 5 liter of dose, and I can dose my goats. And the other will I take and I will buy some dip, and I will buy some end stuff.